Gang, what up, gang?
Yo, ça va faire, ça va faire.
Can't call the family, you already know.
Même ça va bailler nous bas.
Like we never left.
Ça dit déjà, sur votre adventure.
Et nous venons à part 2 to catch 69, you know what I'm saying? Interview Vlad TV.
Allez, dès que tu as numéro 1, vous allez c'est numéro 2.
Yeah, nous avons déjà, nous allons balancer le numéro 2.
C'est la raison qui fait une barre tout parce que la plateforme ça c'est comme ça fonctionne. Il va y avoir petit bout par petit bout après ça.
Et puis laguer full là. Yeah, del film manger sous les tout. Gen l'autre nèg quand c'est Cheese TV, on l'autre gros plateforme. Mais c'est même laguer full vidéo et puis là aller laguer petit morceau par petit morceau. Comme si la parler de un caractère, laguer c'est toujours même là. Même là. Yeah. En tout cas, let's go.
You're growing up with your mom and your stepdad and your brother.
Yep.
You're going to
So here you are, you growing up with your mom, your dad, your stepfather, you know, your brother. Et ok, kounya la ou non kay ou même maman et Bòpèl avec fort. You know, comment ça t'est?
church, relatively normal childhood. You know, you guys are struggling financially, but a lot of
Relatively a normal childhood. You know, you guys are struggling financially. So, ou te gon en vie qui normal pendant ce temps. Nous tap bataille, nous pas de cob. But ou te gon vie normal comme un petit monde, you know?
kids are going through the same
Yeah,
thing.
everybody, yeah. So that's why I said,
Just, you know, ça est même histoire qui un petit monde vive. Qui n'a grandi, yo pas de grand, you know? Ça est on vit normal, you know?
cliche.
Yeah. But then, when you're 14 years old, a tragedy happens.
So, but then when you're 14 years old, tragedy happened. Kounya là, on vient 14 ans, et puis vient gon mauvais bagay qui passe dans la vie, on tragédie, you know?
Let's talk about that.
Let's talk about that. I'm font parler de ça.
So, you know, I don't really like talk about it. I'm gonna zoom through it. I don't really like talk about
Okay,
it.
fair enough.
I don't like talking about it, man. I'm gonna zoom through it, man. Pas me parler de situation ça sur ma font on parler sur le rapide, you know?
My stepdad asked me, yo, come with me to the supermarket. You know what I mean?
So my stepdad asked me to come with me to the supermarket, you know what I mean? So, bon frère me dit me go ça dans le supermarket là. Yeah. Me dit dans le supermarket là avant.
And when he tells me come with me to the supermarket, I said, nah, go, because I just had a girlfriend, right? This was like,
So when he told me that, I told him, nah, go, man, because I just had a girlfriend. Et pendant monsieur m'a dit pour moi Lavil, et puis me dit monsieur non mais t'as arrivé à se me décontinuer de faire commencer gonti ménage, you know, qui t'a pas venir monsieur on met aller pour compte man, you know?
I lost my virginity like in May. I lost my virginity like in May of like that year.
So literally, man, I lost my virginity in May of that year. So pendant ce temps m'a parlé qu'il me fait gonti girlfriend là. So depuis à 14 ans monsieur perdu virginité. So dans même année ça, you know. Dans mois de mai on te perdu virginité man. Jole ka bay to anti. Pas mon man. Il va taper.
Mais parce que le petit monde qui fait le gars bagay bout.
Il va taper dans ce sang, man.
2010.
Yeah.
2010. Yeah, 2010, yeah. So on parle de 2010, yeah.
So if I'm not mistaken, you know what I mean? So I know that's fact. So around August,
So if I'm not mistaken, I mean, so si c'est pas irréellement fait, but I know that's facts. Mais connaissez la vérité quand même, you know.
early September, he tells me, yo, take this trip with him to the supermarket.
So I just remember early September, he told me to take that trip with him to the supermarket. So ben j'ai songé dans mois septembre, planté dans le supermarket là avec moi.
I'm 13, you know what I mean? So I tell this girl,
I was 13, you know what I'm saying? So I told this girl, by that, dans les sables, t'es 13 ans. So, me dit, si femme, me dit, on t'y fille, qui me d'avait.
no, I'm 14 because May 8th passed.
Nah, excuse me, I'm 14 because the May already passed. So, 14 ans. Parce que mois de mai te passé, so m'te geta dans septembre, so 14 ans m'te, you know.
So and it was an 8th grade summer. I tell
So his 8th grade summer, c'est pas dans tes vacances summer, you know.
I tell my dad, no, go, like, I'm with my girlfriend, like, I don't want to
I
go.
tell my dad, go, man, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm with my girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? I want to go. Il dit, I'm going to show my dad, look, I'm going to be with my avec, you know. Pas v'la aller, you know what I'm saying? Soit prend Pt.3 pas le flan à papa, ok, soit prend. Hein?
Carry the cart, because we had to push a cart, the cart with the 4 wheels on it.
Yeah.
The square.
Yeah, because, he wanted me to help him push out the carts, you know what I'm saying? The carts with the 4 wheels on there. I said, David, I aller pour m'aider le pousser petit chariot, 4 roues, ben, c'est son qui était pareil, again,
c'est provision tout la va le faire.
Et provision ça va le faire, mais petit chariot a 4 roues, men. Ka pousser, nous pas besoin de se cacher à l'avant, men.
Pas grand monde qui va vouloir ça, mon cher, ça. Mon petit bout de moi, on prend et puis la mettre la pousser parce que et ligne par ligne ba yo. Pour faire plus effort qu'a besoin petit moun avant.
Anti monsieur faut pas essayer.
Cart?
Yeah.
So I'm like, nah, you gonna make me push that shit. Like,
So I was like, nah, man, you gonna make me push that shit, man. They say, nah, man, on va le faire me pousser. Pousser. Yahweh, c'est cabrette m'a pousser, man. You gonna make me push that, man.
trying to go do that. And then,
So I told him I ain't trying to go do that, man. Bobby Jim. So I about to buy one. Get 14 I'm getting prêt, man. So
he goes, it's like 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, some shit like that.
So he goes, it was around 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, something like that, you know what I'm saying? So m'si Bòpèl levé de juste aller, then, ça te dans vers bloc 3e, 4e, yo. Baka songer trop clair, no?
I was keep passing. Hey, yo, where my pops at? Like, you know what I mean?
I was keep passing. So I'm like, yo, where my pops at? You know what I mean? Et puis, il est passé, comme monsieur dans le supermarket là, man, ticket. My pops, man, good papa, man. You know what I mean?
So then, one of my neighbors at Waldito, he lives upstairs, he was knocking on the window, he's like, yo.
So one of my neighbors that live upstairs, his name Waldito. Yon da voisin mio qui était sous tête moi, you know what I'm saying? Et on était Waldito. Et puis la frappe dans la vie, man.
Yo, your pops is laid out on Belvedere. I'm like, what?
Waldito was like, yo, your pops is laying down on Belvedere, man. I was like, what? So Waldito dit, yo, papa couché tout long dans la rivière, man. Ça?
He's like, yeah, your pops laid out on Belvedere.
I said, yeah, your pops laying there, man. Yeah, papa, boy, man. J'ai couché tout long, man.
I'm like, nah. So I tell my mom, and my mom starts screaming. I run out with my
I was like, nah. So I told my mom, then my mom started screaming. I run with my underwear on. So et puis me dit maman ça, et puis maman go say, wah! Après, et puis me go avec caleçon somewhere. You know what I'm saying?
Where like I'm just running. So I see there's already ambulance, already mad people. Like,
so when I get there, man, I'm seeing already ambulance. It's already mad people. So pendant ma privée sous les scènes, à Tibou slip, man, pas boxer dans slip 14 ans. Et puis déjà ouais pile monde, entourage et puis ambiance dans les là, you know.
Yo, that's my dad. My dad, he don't know where he's at.
And then that's my dad, and my dad don't know where he's at. So et puis them regarde moi c'est papa qui n'a mis un peu le fond, c'est pas reconnaître côté et ben c'est votre comment et puis he don't know where he's at, so il pas reconnaître côté lui.
So I'm like, look, I'm 13, I'm 14, you know what I mean? So,
yo, dog, I'm 14, you know what I mean? 14 ans, comprends-moi, yo, you know.
What am I gonna do? I start looking around, I start telling people like what happened, like da-da-da.
What I'm gonna do, I start looking around, I start asking people what happened, da-da-da-da-da. Di ket men, ki sa mbal fè la men, gen 14 an, pi mpon sap gade, map gade a doat a gauche. Pam di moun yo, what's going on, ki sa ki pase?
They're like, yo, whatever. Long story short, they took my pops to Bellevue.
One story short, they took my pops to Bellevue, but pou nou pa mene histwa api long, yo pren papam, histwa sa mabban nou pa pren pi long, yo pren papam, yo leven, yo menen to Bellevue, gale son l'hopital, nan lèl kote l'terete a, you know what I'm saying?
It was like a head trauma.
Okay, it was like a head trauma, se kote son l'hopital pou traumatize, kom si sou fon choke nan tèt, you know? Se pou sa l'hopital sa.
So he died September 15th, a day away from his birthday.
So he died September 15th, a day away from his birthday. So monsieur mori 15 septembre, jou
Avant fête.
avant fête li, away from his birthday. Yeah, un jour avant fête li.
Même jour avec Young Thug. Fait la démo.
Young Thug? Ça a été 10 jours avant fête li.
10 jours de Dieu.
Yeah, 10 jours. Yeah, 10 jours avant fête Young Thug. Papa m'se mori 10 jours avant fête parle, pas avant fête te catch, non? Avant fête parle même.
What was the situation around the shooting? Did you ever find out?
No, it wasn't a shooting.
What was the situation around the shootings, man? Did you find out? Ki sa bagala te ki te fet te gon fusillade? Est-ce que son fusillade ki te gen? No, it was not a shooting, no. C'est pas un fusillade ki te gen, non. Gen tombe, pa tombe. Gen yo, gen moun sa ou pa fa stress men nan bouton. Ki fait tension bien sick. Yo kon fait ti mini crise, men. Yo pa kon sa, non? On prend ça, choqué, yo boum. Yo choc, yo tombe, men. Ça gen det passé.
He got hit with an object that cracked his skull open.
Oh.
Nah, he got hit with an object that cracked his skull open. Son bagay ki soti on kote ki tombe sou tèt li ki ouve fan tèt li tout.
But the blood never exited.
Ooh.
So
And the blood never exited. Et puis le bagay la frappe tèt li. San ba jam soti. Men san gale ap.
C'est qu'il y a tout.
Bese men san ba soti.
for the cause that the blood never exited, all the blood is internal bleeding.
Swelling.
It's
So for the cause that the blood never exited, so it started swelling. You know? Parce que ça pas sorti sur tête comme ça. Swelling, gonflé.
swelling.
Yeah.
She went into cardiac arrest, and you know,
And then he went to cardiac arrest, and then a cardiac arrest, man. C'est comme si
he was on that, on what was that called? The tubes and stuff like
Yeah.
that. Life support, basically.
Life support. Yeah.
he was on the tube, whatever you called it, man, life support. So you think me saying life support? You think me life support till a bit yeah.
What? So did someone hit him with something?
I still don't know to this day.
So there was no.
So did someone hit him or something? Man, I still don't know to this day, man. Pour ça te passe là, man. Est-ce que someone qui te bail mission ou bail ou bien ou vous bail back on them. Just qu'on y a back on ça te passe.
No police investigation. Nothing.
No, they did, but it was
So no police investigation and nothing. So you pat police pat investigation car. No, they did, yeah. You te fait investigation.
like on a back block.
Oh.
You know what I mean? It was on a back block. So
So they don't know.
yeah, like
It was like in a back block. So it's comme si non l'autre l'aile bagarre la sorti ou akon qui voyait comment fait frapper monsieur. So police pas connaît. So they don't know.
alright, so 18 Locust, if you look at it on a Google map, it's an industrial area behind it. You know what I mean? You have Broadway, that's the main street, but then you have Beaver. So I live between 18 Locust, between Broadway and Beaver. It's all industrial. They have fish factories, all that type of stuff. You know what I mean?
Okay. But I mean, the streets talk.
Yeah.
Did anyone ever say, "Oh, I think this happened," or "This guy
Yeah, there was
did
a
it"?
little.
But you know what I'm saying? But you know, the street talk, man. Did anyone that ever said that this happened, that happened, whatever? Ou kon la ria parler, man. Est-ce que la ria, son la ria pas jamais dit ou pas jamais tande que son la ria bay son l'autre bagay qui passe, monsieur?
Conversation like that, but remember,
Yeah, there used to be conversation like that, but yeah, I'm content des petites conversations ça et tout, but songez que
14.
Yeah, you're a kid.
I'm 14.
I was just 14, dès 14 ans, même si la ria t'a parlé, c'est trop l'autre cas, je m'attends jamais qu'à comprendre tout, you know, I was 14.
My brother's 15. You know what I mean?
And my brother's 15, so moi t'ai 14 ans, frère m'ai 15 ans, c'est comme si nous tous des jeunes, qu'on a rien, man.
And it's weird the way the block works. Like Belvedere, everybody, whoever's on Belvedere don't talk to nobody on Locust. Whoever's on Locust, nobody talks to nobody on Park. Whoever's on Park, nobody talks to, you know, who's on Arian. You know what I mean? Like, it's they block. You know what I mean?
So it's weird how the block works too. So, j'en ai été à nous, nèg sa yo, tout le monde était pour compte yo. Comme si nèg sa yo dans l'autre bolaga yo pas la zone bolaga pas la nèg do pas la nèg devant. So baga la vie non mystère tout. So même si on monte à ouais, yo gane pas d'abjam di qui est. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. And that situation caused a lot of depression.
Yeah.
So that situation caused a lot of depression. Okay, ça arrive so. And so ou t'a dit, so ou m'a dit que ça, que situation ça a vient cause que un pile dépression t'es vient tomber dans la caille men. C'est dit, yeah. Quand imaginer tout parce que nèg qui t'a pas imaginer dans cas là. C'est le garçon, comprendre et
depuis ce traitement tout c'est
yeah.
C'est ton bon.
Yeah, mais elle shopping, elle fait grocery shopping, so c'était plus ou moins garçon dans cas là. So les monsieur vinn, les papa monsieur beau frère Kite vinn Pèdi Lavil et vinn gen dépression. So il là monsieur après aller so next vidéo maintenant que monsieur pral commencer dire il commence à faire la rue. Parce que pas que grand monde dans cas là. Maman c'est ti job dans première émission te dit c'est 3 il t'avait 3 et Kay Moun. Kay New Yorkshire. Des petits garçons les gars manger mais t'as Kite déjà dit il était et perdu virginité. Il y a une petite femme il va besoin virer. So on peut dire 15 ans que Kite prend l'arrière pour l'autre émission.
Article comme ça déjà qui te commenter partager vidéo pas intégrer disponible pas de les shop venir sur Twitch comme ça déjà.
Man, you already know, gang.